guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Keelan, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite things that I've been obsessed with recently, shishito peppers, blistered shishito peppers. They are super trendy right now, and I am so on the trend train because they are absolutely delicious. They're so yummy. You think they're going to be super spicy, but they're not. And they're just such a fun appetizer to have or snack to have while you're at happy hour. Literally, I love shishito peppers. They were actually one of the dishes at my 30th birthday party because that's how much I love them so much. So today I'm going to show you how you can grill or cook your shishito peppers in the oven. It's pretty painless. There's a few ingredients and you guys are gonna love it and be making these delicious peppers for yourself. So me and my husband get shishito peppers at happy hour all the time. There is nothing better than a spicy pepper and a good glass of champagne or wine. I'm telling you, it is really, really good. But people are kind of intimidated because they think they're like hot peppers. They don't know how to handle them. They don't know how to cook them. But I'm telling you, I'm going to show you how easy it is, and you're going to be eating these all the time. So the first things first is that you're going to want to find a grocery store that sells them. They are starting to become a little bit more mainstream and found in most grocery stores. However, they don't always have them. So you might have to look a little bit. But my grocery store, my Wegmans, you know that I love them. They have them, so I'm sure you could find it near you as well. So you're going to want to get a good amount because you actually just bite them off like edamame. So this looks like a big old bowl of peppers, but I'm telling you, it actually cooks down to be a perfect size for 2 people. So I have a nice big bowl of my peppers, and I'm adding just a few simple ingredients before I get them ready for the oven or the grill. First things first, you need olive oil. Everyone knows that. We're just going to give a little bit of a swirl, maybe a tablespoon or 2, just a nice swirl of your favorite olive oil, and a little bit of salt and pepper. Super easy, nothing to get stressed about, and we are going to retoss them after they are cooked, so don't freak out. A little bit of salt, perfect. Next ingredient is lemon juice. I use 1 whole lemon for the entire recipe. I do 1 before they cook and 1 after. So just get your lemon in your juicer. Thank you, Tom. I got this for my 30th birthday. As I mentioned, everyone knows I love this kind of stuff. But we're going to just put our lemon juice over our shishito peppers, and we're going to give them a toss. So with those 4 simple ingredients, we're going to toss. I think I need a little bit more black pepper, so I'm just going to hit that up. And then we're going to wrap it in our tin foil. So I like to take 2 pieces of tin foil and kind of like crisscross them up. I know it's not a perfect square, but I lay one over the other just so I could kind of cone it together at the top. So as I mentioned, this recipe is perfect to cook either on the grill or in your oven. So if you're cooking it on the grill, you're going to want to get a nice hot grill going, and then you're going to put the foil down right onto the grill. My oven's ready. We're cooking ours inside. We're going to preheat our oven to 450. Same thing, cone up our tin foil. Get it, but leave a little bit of room so that steam could get out the top. You could always throw them back on if perhaps your grill was not hot enough or, you know, something like that. So again, you're just gonna kind of fold up your tin foil. Does not have to be perfect whatsoever. All peppers do have to be inside, and I like to leave a little bit of room open at the top for the steam to come out. So just go ahead and fold it up until you have a nice little kind of sack like this, and either into the oven or onto your grill, depending on how many peppers you have, how hot your grill is, your oven, if you have a double layer of foil, etc. Cook time could vary, but I would definitely say that your peppers are done in between about 7 to 12 minutes. So you know they're good and done when they're like this and their skin's a little bit blistered, when the moisture's kind of sucked out of them, when they're nice and thin, and you could just honestly take a good bite. Not in one, they're perfect. Before I plate my peppers, I usually like to give one more go around with some lemon juice. I just go ahead and squeeze that other half of the lemon into my shishito peppers. I give them a little toss, and then we're ready to plate. So just grab whatever dish that you're serving them on, go ahead and lay them out. There's no need for any types of dipping sauces or anything. These are served best by themselves. They're absolutely delicious. You guys are gonna love them. And hey, they're super trendy this summer, so go ahead, be on point, and cook your own shishito peppers. And there you have it, guys. Cooking shishito peppers is super easy, and they are fantastic, and they are one of my favorites. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every Tuesday. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I will see you next time, guys. Have a good summer. Enjoy these peppers. See you then. Bye-bye.